Hello, Namaste. This is Raju Kasambe. I work at Bombay Natural History Society. In the last video, you have seen how butterflies feed on nectar, and when you think about what butterflies feed on, the first thing which comes to your mind is of course nectar. And I said butterflies, not necessarily all butterflies feed on nectar. So there are many species of butterflies which feed on a lot of other things, and they never visit flowers. So what do they feed on? So they feed on rotten fruits, they feed on overripe fruits, they feed on animal dung, urine, blood, bird droppings. Not only that, they also feed on human sweat, dead crabs, carrion. There are butterflies like rajas and nawabs which feed on carrion. So these butterflies never visit flowers. There are some butterflies which also visit flowers and also feed on these things. Like and those butterflies which feed on mud or they visit wet patches. This feeding is known as mud puddling. So this mud puddling is a process in which they take up they take up liquid food, or they suck the nutrients from these various types of material, like the wet patch or a mud puddling patch or a dead crab. Also they feed on this material, and they take out whatever nutrients they require. For example, butterflies which feed on wet patches, they suck a lot of water with the help of proboscis. And what they do is they excrete excess water and just keep the chemicals which they need, like sodium and amino acids which they need for their physical requirements. And other things they just excrete. You can see in these videos that they are feeding a lot of things. You can see a blue mormon feeding on cow dung and excreting excess water and just keeping the chemicals which it requires. So what does it do with all those chemicals? So so what it does is it just keeps the chemicals, and they especially mud puddling is done by male butterflies. So these male butterflies collect or gather these chemicals in their body, and during mating they pass on these chemicals to females in the form of small capsules. You can say it's a nuptial gift, or also you can say it's a dowry given by the male butterflies to the female butterflies. So it's very wonderful. So keep on observing butterflies when they are doing mud puddling, and it's a very interesting phenomenon. Might be it is there is one concept that fast flying butterflies are like nawabs and rajas, they feed on carrion because they need nutrient rich food. That's why they might be feeding on dead animals. That's just one theory. So in this video, we have seen that butterflies feed on lot of things which are not nectar. So they feed on carrion, they do mud puddling. So is it all? Not exactly. There are other things also on which butterflies feed. For example, they also feed on non-floral nectar. Non-floral nectar is secreted by many plants from the stem. So those plants are nectaries. So they secrete nectar, and many butterflies feed on those non-floral nectaries. So the example can be given as common acacia blue and the yam plant. These butterflies. There are some butterflies which feed on tree sap, which is secreted by many plants like bamboos. So they also feed on tree sap. So there are these interesting things on which butterflies feed, and I'm sure you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.